This is Super D's car inventory. This is the Shelby.
Yay!
This is the Camaro.
Camaro.
This is
The taxi car.
yeah. This one is
DTO.
this one is Dodge Dart. This one is
Dragon Tail.
good job. This one is Diora.
Delaware.
This one is Swamp Raider. This one is, hold on, Land Rover. Land Rover. This one is the Chevelle. This one is the Citroen.
Nope.
This one is the Kool-Aider. And this one is the Dodge Charger.
That's him a buggy man, a race rack.
The X1622. And this one is
Be red.
the Pikes Peak Celica. And this one is the Golden Arrow.